What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and today's video is going to be how I'm helping buy my friend his first gaming setup. The PC is extremely powerful. The graphics card alone is worth over $600. To tell you the truth, I'm pretty sure this PC is stronger than mine, and you can see mine right there. It's freaking ginormous. Look at it compared to my monitor. It's huge. He's getting the PC, a decent mouse, a decent keyboard, and a monitor for $1,400. And because I run a business, I'm charging him $1,500 just so I can make a little bit of profit because I'm doing all the risk. I'm the one that found the guy, talking through it. You know, I'm doing all the risk. But he just sent me $1,100. I'm gonna go ahead and buy it tomorrow. So I'm taking $1,400 out of my bank because he wants cash. I might even get it on video for you. And then once I have the PC and I bring it to his house, he's gonna give me the other $400 whenever he has it. And yeah, that's gonna be it for the intro. Let's go ahead and get this computer. So guys, I'm gonna go take the $1,400 out of the bank for Maurice's PC. I got my packages right there. So I'm gonna head to the bank, take out the $1,400, and then take it out to the post office. So guys, I just dropped my packages off and went to the bank. So this is the $1,400 right here. You see all this. It's $1,400 right here. I'm gonna go give it the guy. It is currently, I believe it's like 12:15. He said he'll be ready by about 4. And that's when I'm gonna go meet him, do the transaction. He said he's cool with me recording it, so I'm gonna see if I can find a way to record it as well. I might end up putting my phone like between the little, my steering wheel's locked right now, like right here, and see if I can record, but I'll figure something out, boys. So guys, we actually decided to meet around 2. I haven't showered, but whatever. I'm gonna throw on another pair of shorts, maybe a new shirt, spray on some cologne, brush my teeth, and let's go out there. Let's get this computer. So guys, I'm about to pull in. He said it'll be in a 2018 black Chevy Cruze. So when he gets here, I'm gonna turn the camera back on and we're gonna get the transaction on video. Hey, what's up, man? So guys, I just got everything. Monitor, mouse, keyboard are in the box. PC is in that right there. Had to move these up to my front seat. You guys saw, I got it on video. I didn't really show a whole lot because I was trying to show my hood, showed me counting it out, giving it to him. He said he was cool with being on video. Didn't want to pressure him to show his face or anything. So, but you see it's all back there. I'm gonna go ahead and go to Maurice's house and we're gonna give him this computer. Oh yeah, whoopsters. Mouse and the keyboard are in here, he said. guys, I just helped him bring it in. I'm gonna go ahead and take you upstairs while I help him set it up and show you everything.